Have you ever considered how the sun, this radiant sphere in the sky, affects our daily lives beyond just providing us with light and warmth? This celestial body hanging high above us does far more than you might venture to guess. It's not just a simple ball of fire, but a complex and dynamic system, a perpetual fusion reactor that fuels life on our planet. Yet, the sun is not just our life giver, but also the source of some of the most mesmerizing and mysterious phenomena in the universe. Widely known for its intense heat and luminosity, the sun also presents us with an extraordinary theater of astronomical events. Among them, two stand out due to their peculiarities and the awe they inspire: coronal holes and solar winds. These phenomena, despite their sci-fi sounding names, are real and incredibly fascinating. As we think of the sun, we tend to focus on its brilliant light and life-giving warmth, but there's a lot more happening on its surface and in its atmosphere. Coronal holes are dark spots on the sun's outermost layer, areas with lower temperatures and fewer particles, which allow solar winds, a stream of charged particles, to escape into space at high speeds. These winds, on the other hand, are responsible for the stunning auroras we see on Earth. Today, we delve into the intriguing world of coronal holes and solar winds, phenomena that are as fascinating as they sound. The sun, our very own star, encapsulates a myriad of complexities within its fiery facade. One of these multifaceted phenomena that pique the curiosity of astrophysicists worldwide is the enigmatic coronal hole. These anomalous features, termed holes, are not voids or abysses in the traditional understanding of the term. They are in fact unique regions nestled within the sun's outermost atmospheric layer, known as the corona. These regions of the corona are areas where the sun's magnetic field diverges from its usual pattern. Instead of maintaining its tightly wound circular configuration, the magnetic field here expands and opens up. This opening facilitates a cosmic highway, a pathway in the dense solar atmosphere, providing an escape route for high-energy solar particles. These particles, charged and energized by the sun's immense heat and light, are normally trapped within the confines of the sun's magnetic field. However, these coronal holes provide them with a unique opportunity. It's akin to a bustling metropolis with its network of highways. The city is buzzing with activity, cars whizzing past, each with its own destination. These coronal holes are like the open roads in this city, permitting traffic, or in our celestial analogy, solar particles to speed away into the vast expanses of space. Imagine that. Now it's these open solar highways, these coronal holes, that contribute to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our sun, shedding light on the mysteries of our nearest star. These escaping particles form what we know as the solar wind. It's not what you might picture when you think of wind, like a gentle breeze rustling the leaves on trees. Instead, it's a cosmic phenomenon that's beyond our day-to-day lives. This solar wind, as it's commonly referred to, is a ceaseless outpouring of charged particles. These particles are primarily electrons and protons, the building blocks of our matter. The sun, a burning celestial body millions of miles away, releases these particles into the vast, inky expanse of space. This is an unending process, a testament to the sun's boundless energy and power. This process isn't random or arbitrary. It's a key factor in how our solar system operates and interacts. The solar wind doesn't merely drift aimlessly in space. It races like a sprinter at staggering speeds. It travels at speeds of around 1,000,000 miles per hour, which is nearly incomprehensible to us. Along with these electrifying speeds, it carries with it the sun's magnetic field, a force that stretches far beyond our planet and influences the rest of our solar system. This solar wind races through space at speeds of 1,000,000 miles per hour, carrying with it the sun's magnetic field. But what does this mean for us on Earth? Let's delve a bit deeper to understand the phenomenon. When the solar wind, a stream of charged particles released from the sun, travels through it, eventually makes its way to our planet. It then encounters Earth's magnetic field, a protective shield that extends from the interior of our planet into outer space. This magnetic field is a crucial component of our environment, acting as a natural deterrent against harmful solar radiation. When the solar wind encounters this field, a very interesting thing happens. Interact quite intensely, a magnificent dance at the cusp of our atmosphere. This clash between the solar wind and Earth's magnetic field is not merely a passive occurrence. It is an active and dynamic interaction that can result in geomagnetic storms. These storms are fascinating for their scientific implications and for their real-world effects. The range of these effects can be vast. They can lead to stunning displays of the northern and southern lights, a breathtaking spectacle of natural beauty that inspires awe and wonder in those fortunate enough to witness it. On the other hand, They can also give rise to disruptions in satellite communications and power grids, causing inconveniences and technical glitches that affect our daily lives. This interaction can cause what we know as geomagnetic storms, which can have effects ranging from beautiful displays of the northern and southern lights to disruptions in satellite communications and power grids. In this video, we've taken a fascinating journey from the heart of our sun to the magnetic field that shields our planet. We have ventured deep into the sun's fiery core, witnessing firsthand the nuclear fusion that powers its brilliant light. Entwined in the throbbing pulse of its stellar energy, we've introduced the intriguing concept of coronal holes. These are areas on our sun's surface where a magnetic field arcs out into space, acting almost like gatekeepers releasing streams of charged particles or solar winds. We've journeyed with these solar winds as they hurtle through space at incredible speeds and examined their complex interactions with our planet's magnetic field. In our exploration, we've discovered that these streams of particles can cause significant changes in our Earth's atmosphere. We've explored how these changes can lead to the mesmerizing light displays known as auroras. Furthermore, we've delved into the impact these particles can have on our modern technology, from affecting satellite communications to causing power grid failures. The knowledge we've gained through this captivating cosmic journey highlights the intricate relationship between our sun and Earth. We've learned about the effects of these solar winds on our Earth, from creating mesmerizing light shows to potentially disrupting our modern technology. So, the next time you bask in the sunlight or gaze at the night sky, pause a moment to marvel at the wonder and complexity of the cosmos. Take a moment to appreciate the boundless expanse of space that stretches out beyond what the eye can see. Imagine the celestial bodies, stars and planets, comets and meteors, galaxies and nebulae, all swirling in an eternal dance of cosmic forces. Ponder upon the mysteries of the universe, of black holes and white dwarfs, of supernovae and quasars, each one a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty and power of nature. And at the heart of all this, the sun, our sun, a fiery beacon of light and warmth, fuels life on our little blue planet. It is a marvel of physics and chemistry, a complex machine of nuclear fusion that constantly births light and energy. Every moment, countless reactions take place in its core, creating radiation that eventually reaches us as sunlight. This light nourishes the Earth, powering photosynthesis in plants and providing the warmth essential for life. Moreover, the sun's behavior also influences our planet's climate and weather patterns, shaping our environment and our lives in countless ways. On another note, the sun's magnetic storms disrupt our telecommunications, reminding us that even the most advanced technologies are at the mercy of the cosmic forces. And let's not forget the beauty it adds to our world, inspiring countless poems, songs, and works of art, and creating breathtaking sunrises and sunsets that are a joy to behold. Remember, each time you soak up the sun or admire the stars, you're witnessing a direct manifestation of the dynamic and intricate processes happening on our sun that influence our lives on Earth in more ways than one.